Hey man, it's Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle, man. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'm back at it with another Rose in Good Faith merch review. And for this one, it's an interesting one. We have a Rose in Good Faith X Tokyo's Revenge collab, and there's a few pieces. I'm gonna let you guys know my opinion. I didn't really look in to see if there's gonna be resale. I know, of course, the Rose in Good Faith, they usually have very good like, you know, designs, and it's usually always freaking limited, so I'm excited for that. But in all, I don't really know what to expect. I haven't been too in tune with them. Shout out to those of you who went ahead and like notified me that they did have another drop. Again, guys, if you have not, or if you don't know, man, if you see any drops that are happening, go ahead and shoot me a DM. I read and respond to as many as I can, and I appreciate it a lot. So you already know how this video is going to go. I'm going to take a look at it. I'm going to give you guys my honest viewpoints. I don't really know anything with resale predictions, so I'm going to base this video more around the personal, you know, drip, because, you know, they have some nice pieces and whatnot. Okay, so first things first, I need you guys to go ahead and smash up that like button. We need 100 likes on the videos, on this video. And thank you guys for just all the support that you guys have been showing on the channel. It's really crazy. If you're new to the channel, also go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Road to 10K. Come on, let's get it. But anyways, let's get this video started. Alright guys, so we're not going to waste any time. Right now I went ahead and I pulled out the laptop. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'm excited to see what Rose in Good Faith has to offer, bro. You guys already know my kind of history with them. I've covered like 2 of the drops. I've covered the Trippy Red. I had the little try-on. I had covered the Trippy Red, and I covered the Little Skies. I had a try-on one for that one. So I kind of put them to high standards because they usually, as of right now, they're 2 for 2. They haven't disappointed, so we're gonna go ahead and just continue to take a look at what they have to offer. Okay, so this is the Rose in Good Faith X Tokyo's Revenge. I can't wait for them to get like a really like big like artist collab. Like obviously Trippy was big, but I'm talking about someone like bigger than Trippy, bigger than Little Skies, like maybe even getting like a, y'all know this, people with some hype, bro. Imagine if you did something with like Travis Scott or something. Okay, so we have right here, we have the stream ticket. So I'm not gonna click on this one. It's essentially, they have some type of live event. So I peeped it on the Instagram. And then we have the little wristband for $8. I don't know about that one. I do not know about that. Oh, with ticket, without ticket. Okay, so only 500 made. Okay, so this is to go with the live stream. Okay, it's at least you can get something for the live stream. It's just all right. I can understand why it's the price now. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into like what's really important. Those are the pieces. So we have one. We don't have that many pieces, but I'm really kind of liking the designs. Okay, and if you guys don't know, quality on the pieces is very good. Ooh, but this one is looking like it's gonna be. We got like a long fit, bruh. The thing I will say is like, let's see the size guide. I just know based on like the piece that I got, it's like I would suggest you guys going up 2 sizes. So like, let's say if you normally go up 1 size to get the baggy feel and it's large, I would say go up and get the XL, because that's what they did for me and it fit me how the large is supposed to fit. So I think they run small. Okay, but this piece right over here, I mean, it's straight, bro. They have some nice, cool, unique graphics. This one, I'm getting like some Spider-Man, Venom vibes. Oh, Tokyo's Revenge. Oh, this is creative. This is creative. Very creative. Like I ain't even gonna cap, bro. Like, I'm not trying to take away from like the art piece, but if you take that away and you just have this Tokyo Revenge on the front, it gives me like Revenge vibes. Like the brand is Revenge. It gives me like them nice, but like upper level, like way upper level. Or like, shoot, bro. This is tough, but I just feel like, I don't know. I feel like it could have went so many ways, bro. Let's peep the back before I continue. Okay, it says, looks like this is saying Tokyo's Revenge. Okay, I don't know what it's saying on the back. No cap. Okay, like the piece is tough, but ideally, bro, like I can't even cap, bro. Like if they could have put like this image right here, maybe on the back, and then flex this piece right here in the front. And I'm getting like some Spider-Man Venom vibes for me, bro. It's like, I really like this the font choice that they use. That in itself I felt like, oh, yeah, that in itself is hard. I don't know how the process would be if they wanted to get that embroidered, but I do definitely, I'm rocking with that. Okay, now we got the tee. Okay, I like the tee a lot better. I like the tee version of this one a lot better. This is kind of dope. Alright. Yeah, for some reason it's sliding a little bit more for me. It's sliding a little bit more for me on the shirt. Like, I'll rock this in the shirt version over the hoodie. With the hoodie, I would definitely want the adjustments. But even then, yeah. For the shirt version, this is tough. This is tough. Oh, and I like this little off-white colorway. You guys already know, I really have nothing but good things to say about them. I definitely like the off-white colorway better. It's just that nice, cool print. Ooh. Very, very nice. It's split personality. The font doesn't really pop as much, but it lets this little graphic thing pop up more. And a little black. I just like, you know, they have good high quality pieces. So, oh, look, peep this right over here. Ultra luxury. They made sure to emphasize the quality of the pieces. Man, I'm rocking with it. And yes, the shirt is nice. They did their thing on this one, bro. Sold out again. They keep this very, very limited. So, I mean, it helps build up the hype around whatever drop that they're doing. So, I'm just going to go ahead and rank this based off how I like. Okay, so, I'm going to go with 1. This is definitely 1. Get the 2 for this hoodie. 3 for the shirt, and then 4 over here. I feel like I don't know, like the back for this one is not screaming as much, but it works better over here. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe because it got sleeves and this one is sleeveless. So maybe that's what's going on. But in all, the drop is cool. I'm very, very excited. I'm just really just waiting for them to go ahead and get like a real big collab, or just have some pieces where I really like, I'm just messing with heavy. And I would definitely go ahead and buy some pieces for personal. I still don't know how it is whenever it comes to resale. I don't know if they're at that point to where like you can sell it for a lot. I'm gonna have to look in and actually peep and see if the resale value is like getting up there. But I do know for like the piece with like trippy red, I know that one had a good amount of resale value for sure. So it really, at this point, I think it depends on like who they're collabing with and whatnot. But overall, I'm happy with that collab. 2 out of 4 of those pieces, I'll definitely keep the way it is. For the black hoodie, the little alteration, I feel like that would be very, very cool. But in all, guys, I got 2 questions. 1, let me know if you cop, and if you did cop and you've been rocking with events for a while, let me know how you feel about the brand. Like, just give me like 1 sentence about how you feel about them. Is you rocking with them? Is you not rocking with them? I'm curious to just go ahead and see, because you know I rock with them. They send the boys some stuff with nice quality. You know what I'm saying? Like the review that I said in the beginning of my first video, they like held up their standards, so they definitely get a check in my book. But anyways, guys, your boy Chris Alia. Smash up that like button. Let's get 100 likes on this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Roll to 10,000 subscribers. But anyways, bro, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.